The Trésor collection follows a long tradition of exquisite omega watches for women. These models, however, have been created with a new generation in mind. While inspiration has been taken from the past, the collection is purposely forward-thinking in its design, exuding confidence with a truly modern touch. For women who adore the Trésor's slender style and simplicity, these models in 18K Moonshine Gold are a chance to further raise the levels of luxury. Made from 18K Moonshine Gold, the mesh bracelets include a silk-like pattern and a truly elegant foldover clasp. There is also a captivating array of dials to choose from. The beautifully thin cases are available in either 39mm or 36mm sizes. This classic style is enhanced by a range of straps, which are available in colorful leather or fabric. In every model, diamond paving curves along each side of the case and a single diamond is set within the crown, which itself is polished with red hycerum for a truly lustrous look. The dials include slim hands and are circled by transferred or embossed Roman numerals. Each watch includes a special mirrored caseback with a her time design. While providing a useful accessory, the mirror is also about reflecting the natural charisma that each woman possesses. Behind his caseback sits the Omega Caliber 4061. Two special models offer an extra touch of luxury within this collection. Both are made from 18K canopus gold, with 262 diamonds covering their 18K white gold Roman numerals. Choices include a mother of pearl dial and red garnet leather strap, or a blue aventurine dial and a blue leather strap. A variety of different models are available, including cases made in stainless steel, 18K Senna Gold, 18K Moonshine Gold or 18K Canopus Gold. The diverse range of dial colors are offered in taupe brown, red garnet, mother of pearl, blue aventurine, lacquered black, white, blue and opaline silver.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more trending products.